Hello everyone, I hope all are fine. Today I'm going to tell you 4 points by which you can speak English frequently and very fluently as well. So how can you do it? First you have to learn some simple sentences by which you can gain confidence. Number 1, learn some sentences by which you can easily go through towards the other person, like how are you, I'm fine, where are you going, what are you doing, like these kind of sentences. These will definitely gonna help you in making and boosting your confidence. So let's get to point number 2. Number second point is that speak in front of the mirror. Try to speak in front of the mirror and take a small topic and choose a small topic whichever interests you and speak in front of the mirror, because there is no one in the room who can judge you and who can see you what are you saying to the mirror. So there you can see which mistakes you need to work on it and which mistakes you are doing it in front of yourself. Okay, there is no one who can make you ashamed and who can shame you. So for that reason, just choose a small topic, and like home, like cooking, like if we are girls, so we can choose cooking, you can choose cars, but whichever you actually like it, go through it and speak for 5 minutes on daily basis. Consistency is the key to get success. Number third point is that speak in English. You need to think in English. Okay, don't translate everything in Urdu, because like whenever you are cooking, say I am cooking. Even if you are going outside, say I am going outside, and I'm working. Like you just need to think small sentences in English. Okay, there is no need to think a lot more difficult sentences in your mind. Like obviously अगर मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, so I can think in my mind that I am talking to you guys, I am having a conversation with you guys, I am delivering some dialogues towards you. So these are the things you can catch it up on and you can do it repeatedly. So with that reason, you can get a good results, and obviously don't worry about mistakes. Number 4 point is that learn only many topics like cooking, like sleeping. Okay, choose one topic which is easy for you to to make sentences on it, to write sentences on it, and then you can deliver it, because delivery is the key to success. Even if you have a good grammar, you have a good thinking power, and you have lots of words, lots of vocabulary in your mind, and you are not delivering it, you are not able to communicate, that is useless. So for that reason, you just need to write down some sentences, take out a mini topic, write only 4 to 5 sentences, no more than that, and try to speak in front of the mirror. You can do shadowing technique, but that is a way better for you to see something and then obviously learn according to the situation, and obviously you just need to repeat it. This is called shadowing technique. So but this is a far better technique. You can do it because with that you can understand the accent as well, and also get some words from the other person who is delivering the same kind of things, right? Okay, so for that reason, choose mini topic and please go through it. Please do speaking session for yourself in front of mirror, and that is the best technique actually. And you can catch up on your mistakes, you can make them correct, and you can go through everywhere. Okay, so these are the 4 techniques. You can use it, and by these I actually guarantee you 100% that you will gain confidence, and with time obviously the confidence will boost up, and you will be a fluent speaker as well. So we'll catch up on you next video. So till then, bye.